All it takes is one formula that you can make with VBA to sum any cells based on a specific color that you want. And so now I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So first, click on Alt F11 and this is going to open the VBA interface. And now what we need to do is create a module, and to do that we need to go to the insert ribbon and then click on module, and then after that it's going to create a new pop-up window where you could put in your code. But I already created a module before that already has the code, and you could copy this code. I'm going to put it in the description below. You could copy it and put it into your own Excel workbook and play around with it. Basically what it does is this module has a function that takes in two arguments, the cell color and the cell range. And so I created a loop inside the function that loops through each cell in the range that I specified in the second argument. And then if the cell has the color that's the same as the color that I specified in the first argument, then it's gonna add up the numerical values. And it's gonna iterate through each cell until the loop is over, and then it's gonna end the function. And so let me show you how this module works in the workbook. So before I use the function that I just created, I'm gonna put in all the different colors that there are into this column called color. And so to do that, I'm going to click on the cell and then click on Format Painter and drag in each of the different colors into the color column. Now that I have the different colors over here, I can make the sum based on that specific color. And so let me show you how to do this. We can use the function that we just created by saying equals and then sum by color and then the open parenthesis, and then we can go to the function argument window, and then it's asking us for the cell color, which is the color that we have right here in D4, and then the cell range is going to be the range of all the numbers. So if I click OK, then it's going to get 190. And if we just want to double check, it's 100 plus 90. And so we see that we got the right answer. Now after that, for the next 3 rows, we could repeat the same thing by doing equals sum by color and then clicking on the cell with the range in it. We could do it like that, but that would take more time. There's a more efficient way of doing this. And so because we already used the function up here, we can just drag it down the 3 rows. You hold it and then drag. It's automatically gonna fill it for you. And so that's really convenient because you don't have to repeat the same steps over and over again. Saves a lot of time. Now I've made this formula through the VBA interface, but if you want to learn more about the different features, I've made a video in the past that goes over modules and other things inside the interface. So if you want, you can check that out, and I hope to see you there.